This one sucks, this one blows, and this one screws. But am I satisfied with my Fanttik Tool purchases? Let's check them out in action. Let's start with the tire inflator. My wife has been busting my butt. When are you gonna fix the low pressure tire? When are you gonna get on that? And I tell her, we gotta make a video about it so people can know if when they see these Fanttik things on TikTok Shop or something, are they worth it or are they a scam? I'm here to tell you, I love them all. So let's go over how the tire inflator works. Brody, why don't you follow me over here? This thing comes with a bunch of different attachments, so you can inflate, pretty much anything that you've got. I'm gonna have it set up obviously for my vehicle tire right now. So I like to just take this, throw it in the back of the car, and it's always ready for when I'm on a trip or something like that, and you have that low tire pressure, but you need to hit the road. You don't wanna go to the gas station, pay $1, who has quarters these days, and then you're wasting your money trying to inflate this thing. You can keep it in the back and always have it ready. Let's get a close up of the screen real quick. I'll just turn it on. Now I'm gonna let you hear this too, because it's pretty loud. And as you can see, it's getting an accurate 27 PSI reading. Let's go ahead and inflate it up to 33, and then we'll hit the on button again. And I'll tell you in real time how long this takes. So while that thing's on the ground over there getting going, like I was telling my wife, she's like, go inflate that tire. I said, listen, just wait a little longer. Just be patient. I'm gonna do it. Just keep waiting. Maybe tomorrow, maybe in 2 days. It's no rush, it's not an emergency. I'm gonna get to it. Fellas, you know what I'm talking about. Happy wife, happy life, guys. We're at 31, 2 more PSI to go. And then when it senses that it's got that PSI that you wanted, it turns itself off, and you're done and you're ready to get back on the road. It's not the quietest thing in the world by any means, and that took a total of about just under 2.5 minutes, about 2 minutes and 15 seconds to go up 6 PSI. Having this thing in the back of your car, to me, no brainer. Easy choice. Let's check out the next one. So we've got the Fanttik screwdriver here. You probably see this all over TikTok Shop. This is the S1 Pro. Pretty sure I picked this up at Costco on a deal. This thing, amazing. When I'm putting together toys for my daughter, putting in 1,000,000 hex head screws into a playset or something, I go to this. It's a lifesaver. Charges via USB-C. It's got 3 torque settings, 1, 2, 3. But there is one completely baffling choice that they made here that I'm gonna talk about at the end. As a little demo, I've got some pilot holes here into a 2x4. Let's see if this thing can drill it in. I'll go each torque setting. So this is on torque setting number 1. So that's how far torque setting number 1 will get you. Number 2, it's a magnetic head. It's super handy. Must have around the house, in my opinion. 2 almost gets me there. And aside from stripping it out a little bit, 3 pretty much takes me home. The baffling thing that they did with this is they made the handle completely round. If this was hexagonal shaped or something like that, it would be so much easier to grip. But I can't tell you how many times I've reached the maximum tightness on something and it rips my wrist because it's trying to yank this thing out of my hand. If there wasn't one thing they could change about that to make this better, it would be making this thing a little bit easier to grip. Other than that, it's absolutely awesome. I'm gonna show you the attachments it comes with. So it comes with a bunch of attachments, magnetic, super easy to use, easy to charge. It can charge while it's in the case. Must have for your house. Let's check out the vacuum. This is the vacuum must have when you have a baby with a car seat and you're getting crumbs everywhere. I'm being a little handy today and I'm taking the sawdust from our last demo and I put it in the bottom of the car seat. So let's see, and you can hear how loud this thing is, if it gets a good job getting crumbs out of my baby car seat. We've moved up to a new one, this is old, but let's see how it works. As you can see, it works pretty well. It also has a boost feature for like maximum power. It comes with a bunch of attachments that are pretty good. The one thing I'll say about this is if you're doing dog hair, if you have something really challenging, really complicated, It's not the best vacuum in the world. You could get better ones, but for the price, keeping this thing in the backseat of your car, these 3 products are an absolute no-brainer if you ask me. I know you wonder when you see these things on TikTok Shop if they're real, fake, whatever it is, but these are good. Thanks for watching this one. Let me know if you have Fanttik products and what your favorite are. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Out for now.